Exclusive: How glamorous attorney Camille Vasquez landed the case of a lifetime on Johnny Depp's legal team despite talk making a murderous super lawyer Kathleen Zellner would be the one to grill his ex-wife Amber Heard. Johnny Depp attorney Camille Vasquez has stolen the show at the actor's $50 million defamation trial, with her fierce cross-examination of Amber Heard. But DailyMail.com can reveal how the associate lawyer got a leading role in the Fairfax, Virginia trial after Depp's team axed plans to bring on a TV super lawyer. Depp, 58, had his sights set on Kathleen Zellner to grill his ex-wife after watching the high-powered attorney on Netflix hit series Making a Murderer. Zellner is known for her work in overturning wrongful convictions, and her battle to clear convicted killer Stephen Avery was featured on the show. The plan was always to have a female attorney cross-examine Amber, and that was why Zellner was brought into the case. She had the star power, a source said. However, the insider said, the decision to bring Zellner into such a complex case was made way too late and ultimately shut down by Depp attorney Vasquez is not exactly a rookie, but it's unusual to have an associate taking charge in such a huge case, the source added. She is the glamorous junior attorney who has stolen the limelight at Johnny Depp's epic $50 million defamation trial with her meticulous cross-examination of Amber Heard, but budding legal star Camille Vasquez, 37, was only handed the leading role at the last moment when Depp's team vetoed a plan to have well-known TV super lawyer Kathleen Zellner grill his ex-wife. Daily.com can exclusively reveal. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor, 58, hired Zellner of Making a Murderer fame in February after binge-watching episodes of the hit Netflix show in which she battles to clear convicted killer Stephen Avery. With her decades of success in overturning wrongful convictions, Depp felt Zellner, 64, had the gravitas and experience to pick holes in Heard's evidence. But DailyMail.com understands his existing legal team led by experienced attorney Benchu cautioned against integrating Zellner into the complicated case at the 11th hour, and the job went instead to Vasquez, an associate at Chu's high-profile law firm Brown. The Californian native has been widely praised for her forensic cross-examination of Heard, who is accused of defaming her famous actor ex in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed describing herself as a domestic abuse survivor. Vasquez also sparked feverish gossip online over her supposed close connection with Depp and their flirty body language, though reports suggest their relationship is strictly professional, and she already has a boyfriend. Johnny became aware of Kathleen Zellner while watching Making a Murderer and was really impressed by her, dished a source. The plan was always to have a female attorney cross-examine Amber, and that was why Zellner was brought into the case. She had the star power and the big reputation, but in reality, the decision to bring her in was taken way too late and there was no way she could have gotten up to speed in such a short space of time. Vasquez is not exactly a rookie, but it's unusual to have an associate taking charge in such a huge case. But she knew the evidence inside out and has done a great job. Orange County, California-based Vasquez specializes in defamation cases and was hailed one to watch by the best lawyers in America for 2021 to 2020. She's known Depp since 2017 when he hired Brown Rudnick for lawsuits against his ex-business manager Joe Lomandel and former attorney Jake Bloom. Vasquez was thrust into the spotlight this week while doggedly cross-examining Heard, 36. In one memorable exchange, forcing the Aquaman actress to admit she had not donated her $7 million divorce settlement to charity as she had pledged. Vasquez and Heard also sparred over her shocking claim that Depp violated his former spouse with a liquor bottle during a March 2015 fight. "You're the one who assaulted someone with a bottle in Australia, isn't that right, Miss Heard?" Vasquez pressed. "You weren't scared of him at all, were you?" Her performance did not go unnoticed by Zellner, who tweeted on May 17, "Camille Vasquez is the unrivaled star of the Depp trial. Her measured tone, incisive questions, total command of the facts and clear belief in her client are laudable." Vasquez was born in July 1984 to parents Leonel and Marilia Vasquez. They live in a $1 million home in Buena Park, and her dad once owned a UPS store in Anaheim. Vasquez graduated from the University of Southern California with a bachelor's degree in arts, communications and political science in 2006 magna cum laude. She went to Southwestern Law School in Los Angeles from 2007 to 2010 and carved out a promising career before joining Brown Rudnick, which has at least 9 lawyers working on Depp's case. Vasquez and Depp have been seen touching and embracing warmly on multiple occasions, sparking dating rumors among fanatical Depp fans who have taken to wearing I Heart Camille Vasquez t-shirts and spreading memes portraying her as Marvel superhero. Vasquez giggled and declined to answer this week when she was asked outside court if she was dating the veteran actor. TMZ later reported however that the rumors were completely untrue, with people close to Vasquez telling the showbiz website she is happily dating a British realtor. But Vasquez's father, Lionel, tells DailyMail.com exclusively, "My daughter is dating an attorney, not a real estate agent," as reported. Lionel Vasquez spoke with DailyMail.com on Thursday from his 2-story house in Buena Park, California. The 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,926 square feet home is located less than a mile about from the famed Knott's Berry Farm amusement park. The dad said 90% of what has recently been reported about his daughter is wrong, and confirmed she is dating an attorney from another law firm. He declined to share further details and would not confirm or deny if Camille's boyfriend is British and if the two are engaged, as been reported by various other media outlets. "I can't comment on her boyfriend. I cannot comment on that," Lionel said. "Camille and our entire family like our privacy. Before the start of the trial, we anticipated some of this media attention, so we took care of it. We don't want to opine about anything," he said. Camille now lives in the beachside California town of Corona del Mar. Zellner did not respond to requests for comment, but DailyMail.com understands she is still representing Depp in an advisory capacity. Back in February she declared she would draw on her 30 years of defending individuals who have been falsely accused of wrongdoing to clear his name. "I welcome adding Johnny Depp to that list and joining his dream team who share this view and have so effectively been advocating for him," Zellner said. The Chicago-based lawyer is best known for the Making a Murderer case. Stephen Avery and his nephew Brendan Dassey are serving life in prison for the 2005 slaying of photographer Teresa Halbach. Both men maintain their innocence. Other notable clients include Kevin Fox, who was falsely accused of murdering his 3-year-old daughter Riley before Zellner produced DNA proving another man was responsible. Zellner also overturned Chadwick King's 2015 murder conviction for the death of his wife in a jealous rage before her body was dumped on railroad tracks in Geneva, Illinois. King is due to stand trial again in June. Depp and Heard have been squaring off for weeks over an op-ed she penned in December 2018 describing herself as a domestic violence survivor. The article did not mention him by name, but Depp sued for $50 million, claiming he was axed from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise after the hoax account led to speculation he claimed she faked injuries and lied about the infamous blowout fight in May 2016 that ended their disastrous 18-month marriage and led to a $7 million divorce settlement. Depp is fighting an uphill battle to salvage his reputation, however, after Britain's High Court sided with the Sun newspaper 2 years ago in a different defamation trial over an article calling him a wife. Judge Andrew Nicol ruled that the outlet's depiction of Depp was substantially true and that the father of 2 had attacked her a dozen times, causing her to fear for her life on 3 occasions before their divorce. Heard, who had a baby girl in July last year via surrogate, is countersuing for $100 million. Claiming she was falsely labeled a liar and that her accounts of violent abuse she suffered at the hands of the monster are